This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove email address from Roblox account. To remove your current email address, first of all, you have to add and verify a new email address. Just follow these steps to do it. Open Roblox and sign into your account. Click on this gear icon, settings. Once you are in settings page, here make sure to select account info and you will get email address here. Click on edit, and now here you have to write your new email address and then click on change email. A one-time code has been sent to your registered email. So all you have to do is just collect the 6-digit verification code from your current email address. And now we need to verify our new email address. So click on OK. And now go to your Gmail. And now go to your new Gmail account, and here you will get a verification mail. All you have to do is just click on verify email. And as you can see, my email has been verified. Now click on view item. After adding and verifying your new email address, your old email address will be removed from your Roblox account. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.